Hey y'all, wake up, man. It's Cole the Barber. And today, we're going to talk about the top 5 ways for barbers to put food on the table. Let's get into it. Alright, so first and foremost, we got stick to your clippers. And what I mean by stick to your clippers is this. I understand that when you starting off as a barber, it's hard. The money gonna be low, the clientele gonna be low, you barely making booth rent, all that other shit. I understand that. Now this is what I'm saying. Most barbers, when they get in this position, what they do is they'll go get a job, a part-time job, and then part-time barber. At that point, you're not sticking to your clippers anymore. You are looking for security. When you becoming a barber, this shit ain't easy. You're basically jumping out on a limb to see what happens. You taking a big ass risk by being a barber, which is contrary to an entrepreneur. You understand what I'm saying? Everything that comes to you due to the work that you put out. Stick to your clippers, man. So that was a time when I had to stick to my clippers, right? I had got out of prison, I ain't had no money, I had a whole family at home, and I had bills to pay right now. So I got out, I had 2 job interviews. I ended up getting one of the jobs that was paying like $14 an hour. And around that time, haircuts was like $15 a cut, right? So I was going to work and working in the shop part-time. I told myself I was gonna have this job until things pick up at the barbershop. So I found myself at this job most of the day. Then I'd come to the shop, you understand, and try to cut a few heads. But I couldn't build clientele like that. I knew that the barbering shit would take off for me because it took off for me before I went to prison. And while I was in prison, I was the officer barber. I cut the warden hair, I cut the assistant's warden hair, I cut all the officers' hair, and I cut a few inmates' hair. It got me through prison. So it came to a point where I had to make a decision. I had to make a decision between the job or barbering and stick it out until things get better. Let alone I had bills to pay and a family at home. So I was like, barbering got me through one of the hardest times of my life, right? So I know what I'm supposed to be doing. So I said, man, I'm a barber. Ain't no sense in me sitting on no clock making no $14 an hour when I know I can make $15 in every 30 minutes. I can make $30 an hour at the shop versus making $15 an hour at a fucking job with a boss. You understand what I'm saying? So I stuck to my clippers. I said, man, I'm a barber. I got in the shop, stuck it out until things got better. You gotta tell yourself that, man, I'm gonna make it in this barber. You understand? It's barbering or nothing else. It's barbering or nothing else.
Barbering or nothing else.
All right, next we got improve the quality. And as you can see in parentheses right here, I got all around. And what I mean by all around is, I don't mean just improve the quality of your cuts. That alone ain't gonna get you no clientele, it ain't gonna make you no money. See, being a barber is more than just a haircut. You understand? Anybody can learn how to cut hair. You only can cut hair so good. Everybody's not a good quality barber. Being at the shop the top of the morning, you understand? Being on time for your appointments, keeping your haircuts within a certain amount of time, you understand? Managing money, respecting people, dealing with people. It's a whole multitude of things that goes along with being a barber. So improve your quality. And if you're watching this video right now, you improving your quality. All right, so next we got identify as a barber. You understand? You have to identify as a barber. When I walk around, you see my logo on this hoodie right here? What they say? Cold Cutz. You see a picture of a blade, right? I wear this type of shit all around. You understand what I'm saying? Because I identify as a barber. When any chance I get, I start a conversation with somebody or anything like that. At the end of that conversation or end of you meeting me, you gonna know that I'm a barber. I'm way out the country in Costa Rica. They talking, I'm having conversations with people and shit. And I let them know I'm a barber. I know goddamn well you ain't gonna be able to get to my shop, but I'm gonna let you know that I'm a barber. So identify as a barber. Business cards, flyers, t-shirts, all form of marketing and advertisement all over your social media. On your social media, you don't need to be on there doing all this other shit and trying to be all this other shit, you understand? You a barber. Post haircuts. Yeah, you gotta post a little bit of your lifestyle, let people know how you live, let them know that you're a regular fucking person. But for the most part, make sure you identify as a barber. Post haircuts, post clippers. You understand what I'm saying? And when you out here in public, your family members, your goddamn dog needs to know you're a goddamn barber. Hey, look here, little scruff. Hey, you know you're on a barber, huh? So if you ever need a cut, you know what I'm saying? Bet. Identify as a barber. This how you get potential clientele, you understand? Barbering is your life. Identify as a barber, man. All right, next we got get involved via social media. You gotta be involved with social media. If you wanna be an old school, stick to the old ways, stick to that old bullshit, and try to say, oh, I ain't with the social media shit and all that shit, you understand? Look, man, you gonna fuck up your whole career, especially if you just starting to be a barber in these times, you understand? You gotta get with the times. And right now, everybody in their goddamn phones, and they clicking and they sliding, and you need to make sure when they clicking and sliding and shit and scrolling and shit, that they see your shit on their timeline. You a barber, get on social media, let people know what you do. That's how people connect. Most people are online right now, you understand what I'm saying? And you have to be on social media. Now don't get me wrong, I know barbers who got a stiff clientele that ain't even involved in social media, but that's contrary to my last point. Good dope sales. And I ain't talking about selling no drugs, none of that dumb shit. If you got good dope, you got hard yellow crystal, I don't give a damn if it's small. If it's hard and yellow and the dope fiends know it's good, goddamn it, they coming. They coming to get it. What I mean by that is good haircut sales. You understand? If they know you got it, they coming. I don't give a damn you way on the east side, north side, south side, west side, wherever your shop is, and the person way on the other side of town. If you got good dope, they coming to get it, man. And that goes right along with improving your quality. If the quality of your cuts is a 10, you understand what I'm saying? Or close to a 10, a goddamn 8, they coming to get that good dope. You understand what I'm saying? You 10 toes, you post it up, you giving out good dope, you posting it on social media. Everybody know you cut. Everybody know you got that dope with them clippers. They coming, man. I don't give a damn. I got clients come from way the other side of town because they know that they coming to get that good quality cut. You understand? Some people might take a month, shit, 2 months to come get a haircut, but they know you got that dope. They coming to get it, man. So those are my top 5 ways for barbers to put food on the table. And if you notice, I didn't say how to get clientele. I didn't say how to make money as a barber. I said top 5 ways for barbers to put food on the table. See, it's a big difference from a barber putting food on the table and a barber doing this as a side hustle or some shit like that, you understand? See, most people don't respect barbering, you understand? They look at it as a side hustle or just some little hustle. They go, hey bro, you got you a good little hustle here. Good little hustle. Motherfucker, I'm not even finna tell you what I make, you understand what I'm saying? This ain't no hustle. When you putting food on the table, you gonna perfect your mannerism, you understand? Treat clients right because you want them to come back, because you know if they don't come back, your goddamn light's gonna get cut off, and then your girl gonna be looking at you all upside your head like you some sorry ass nigga steady sitting up here talking about, man, this shit gonna take off. This shit gonna take off one day. It ain't gonna take off one day unless you do these top 5 things right here, man. Hey, I'm Cole the Barber. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and wake y'all ass up.